In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in PowerPoint. Lists are a quick way to organize ideas, steps, or talking points so your audience can follow along effortlessly. I'll walk you through getting your list onto the slide and making it look clean and professional. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you're working on. Once it's open, head to the specific slide where you want the list to appear. It helps to be in normal view so you can easily select the right slide from the thumbnail pane on the left. Next, you'll need a place to type your list. If your slide already has a text placeholder, click inside it to place your cursor. If not, go to the Insert tab, choose Text Box, then click and drag on the slide to draw one. When you release the mouse, click inside the box so it's ready for typing. Give yourself enough width so your lines don't wrap awkwardly. With the text box active, switch to the Home tab. In the paragraph group, choose how you want your list to look. Click bullets if you want a simple bulleted list, perfect for general points. Or click numbering if you need a sequence like steps or priorities. You'll see the first bullet or number appear immediately, which means you're ready to type. Type the first list item, then press enter to create the next bullet or number. Continue this pattern for each item. If you want a subpoint under one of your items, press tab to increase the indent and make it a nested point. If you go too far, press shift plus tab to decrease the indent and move back up a level. If tab doesn't seem to work, make sure your cursor is placed directly in the list text and not outside the text box. Once your content is in, let's make it look the way you want. Highlight the entire list. Still on the Home tab, open the bullets or numbering dropdown to choose a different style. For bullets, you can switch to circles, squares, or arrows to better match your slide's tone. For numbering, pick from 1, 2, 3, IT, Chi, or ABC, depending on the formality you need. You can also adjust indentation to control how far the text sits from the bullet or number, and tweak spacing so items are readable without looking crowded. Aim for consistency with your slide's theme and keep list items concise for maximum clarity. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.